welcome back to my channel. So I just received my mail. I had ordered the new Jujube Tokidoki Iconic 2.0 from Barely Used here in Ontario. I picked out a few things and hopefully we got some good print placement. So I just figured I'd do an unboxing, which is actually poly mailer. So to see what I got, I'm hoping for my print placement. So let's see. Here is the Be Light, and I wanted Sandy, and she's up here. It's great on the back, she's right on the center, so I'm happy about that. So there's one piece, and the Be Shady, and there she is on the back. So let's just take a look here. Okay, so there she is. I'm so happy. It's very cute. Okay, and then I got a coin purse. It's got Moz on there. And just slight little Sandy's head there. On the back I've got the orange juice guy, the dog, I forget his name, Donut something. That's cute. Okay. Oh, and then I have a mini bee in Hello Friends. And it seems I am missing my Be Quick. So, all right, so we're missing a Quick, but otherwise we're all right. So anyways, thanks for watching.